want some Margie? Hey, Axe!
You drove my kids drunk?
Whoa, man, I had a beer or two. 3 tops, hardly even buzzed. I got your precious fucking babies home.
What? I will kill you, you motherfucker! Get up! That's gonna fucking cost you. Worth it.